Welcome back to Yummies with Yoda. If you've not been here before, welcome. We love having you here. If you would please take the time out to gently saute the like button on both sides so that it browns evenly, and make sure to ring the bell notification for awesome content to come. So glad you're here. All right, so today we're getting muy caliente with taco salad, fajita taco salad, and Margarita shrimp. All right, more to come, but don't go anywhere because we're starting in about 5 seconds. Welcome back. All right, so we've assembled all of our ingredients here. We've got margarita salt, there, garlic, cumin, white tequila, liquid smoke, white vinegar, and I use, again, accent to taste, but you can use salt instead if you do so choose. Baking soda and adobo. All right. Ooh, this is going to be good. Okay, so there's a neat little trick that I learned some years back. What I do is I take the baking soda, sprinkle it over the top. I just got regular skirt steak. Sprinkle it over the top of the steak, like so. What this does, it breaks down the meat itself and makes it not so tough, locks in the moisture, and makes it oh so good. All right, so let's get the other side. All right, and then you take your white vinegar, pour it over. It's going to get kind of foamy. Just kind of flip this over. All right, this locks in the moisture for the actual steak. This can be done on steak. Steak only. It doesn't work with chicken or pork. Chicken and pork, different thing. If you want to check that out, you can watch our previous video. And then I'm going to pour on some of the liquid smoke. And this can sit for about 20 to 30 minutes just to marinate. I'm going to stick this off to the side. Right. Welcome back. All right, so here we go. And right over here, this is our margarita salt. We're just going to pour this in to our white tequila. And then we've got our shrimp. And any type of shrimp will do. You can use, but it's recommended that if you use something with tail on, just make sure that it's peeled and deveined. And just peeled and deveined with tail on is okay too. But for this meal, I've got peeled, deveined, and tail off. All right. This is going to soak. And let that soak for, again, about 20 to 30 minutes. And we will return when we get ready to start sizzling. Ooh. So we gave our steak, our flat steak, a quick rinse. And we're just going to put it right on here. All right. Now I'm coming in with our onion powder. A little bit of cumin. Adobo. Oh, it smells so yummy. And then my accent powder, which is basically MSG. Some people say that it's not good for you, but I like it. So you can substitute. These recipes are not the be-all, end-all. You do have the opportunity to make them your own. Okay. I'm using this particular one. With this cut of meat, it's not going to take very long, but I want to get on the other side. Look at those really pretty lines. And I'm just going to repeat process with my spices over here. Monosodium glutamate and the onion powder. And cumin. You'll essentially do the same with your shrimp, but let's get her started. I'm going to put this lid on there, and that's going to make those cross lines on that, and it'll look just like you went out and paid a pretty penny for it. All right, so finished product to come. Welcome back. Okay, so we've got our deep fryer going. I set it to like medium heat. Let me put that over there. I set it to like medium heat because we're going to need that for our taco salad bowls. And then also, I picked up this little nifty thing on a very well-known product delivery entity. I can't really say their names for proprietary reasons. I'm just going to take that. I'm going to put it a bit askew because I want to leave some room on the side so that bowl would be just kind of asymmetrical. And then put this over the top. And then dip her down. And just let it sit for a couple of seconds. When it starts to turn like not really all the way brown, but like a kind of ecru, you know you're about done. Awesome sauce. All right, and see, it's just like kind of an ecru. When the sides start to brown, you're ready to go. Okay, that's one. All right, I'm going to get the others fried up, and then I will be back for more. Stay tuned. All right, we're back, and we are now getting to our shrimp. Okay, so it's been soaking for 20 minutes. Now I'm about to put it over here. Let's spread it out a little bit. It's going to get those really beautiful char lines. Shrimp usually doesn't take that long, and because we've marinated it, it's going to have this really nice flavor to it. Then we're going to put this lid right there on top to give it the char lines on one side. And you can wait maybe about 10 minutes, and then she'd be raring to go. Just wait until it's a nice, beautiful pink color. All right, more to come. you can see, we've got a very nice spread. Everything came out beautifully. Thank you so much for coming along this journey with me. Cooking should be an adventure. Always. We put tuxedos on to go out and be footloose and fancy free. Well, why not? Why not with the food too? All right, don't forget to gently saute the like button on both sides so that it will brown, and make sure to ring that bell notification to be notified of all the great content to come. It has been my absolute honor and pleasure. Be kind, be caring, because you never know, you may be entertaining an angel. Recipe in the description below. Bye-bye.